Okay. This is the worst one. This is the funnest one.
Oh, thank you. There's a big boulder.
Oh. Is it a waterfall?
Yeah, 40-foot drop.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's not 4 o'clock yet. The weathermen are always wrong. No, that's the thing. Like, if you're wrong, then like no one holds it against you. Oh. Well, yeah,
Yep.
like you're weatherman,
I've already
if you're
started
wrong,
it.
no one holds it against you. Yeah.
I'll load it on YouTube.
Percent chance. It may happen, it may not. We don't really know, but.
Ah, I want that down, but the wind keeps blowing it up.
Oh.
Just living life.
Yep.
Down in Colorado, getting rained on.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's cold. Oh, that's... Oh, my hand. Oh yeah, I can see it's starting to start.
I don't understand what the deal is with the rains today or this week.
So which square rock is it? That square rock up ahead or right here? Which square rock is it? The square rock right here or is it one farther down?
I'm not sure. That rain's even cold.
Oh my goodness. Freezing. Oh yeah, you must be freezing.
Okay, get ready.
You won't forget this.
Yeah.
It's probably better than Mom's in the middle for this. You might get even more wet than just the rain.
Oh, it's on the middle side.
Okay, hold on, Gabe. I need to be able to hear him though. Okay.
So is this where your army starts?
Red eye.
Oh, your army's up ahead.
No.
Yeah, that's true.
Germany.
It's
You practiced on the last group.
yeah, that's true.
On the last group.
Oh, so this is Germany or it isn't?
I don't know.
Yeah, I probably would go overboard here. It isn't that bad. Oh, I had to say something. I had to say something.
That was cool. Yeah, you just.
Oh, I see it. Oh,
You can see them.
I can see it. It looks pretty bad.
We get a little break.
I think he started this rock, Gabe.
Yeah, I know. That was.
That was nothing compared to this next one, I think.
Really? Oh yeah, I can just see it. It looks bad. It looks bad. Wait, you're a shield?
That's a 3.
Yeah,
Gabe, I'm gonna hook my arm around you. Oh, I see it. Yeah. Oh, there's geese are hiding out over there too. Yeah.
Here we go. Wow. That was fun. Yeah. There we go. Oh, yeah. Wait, lean. Oh. Oh, here we go.
Yeah, let me have all the water.
Oh, it's over. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh!
I'm freezing.
Oh!
I'm freezing.
Oh!
Why is it in the middle? Why is it in the middle?
I need the sun!
Why is it in the middle?
Oh!
I had it in the middle too.
Oh!
That was too much fun.
I need the sun now.
Why is it in the middle? I always get wet.
Oh!
I always get wet. I always get wet. One more, no.
Oh no!
No. Oh yeah.
We're wet.
Is there more?
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
I always get wet though, Mom.
I'm drenched.
No matter. I always get wet.
Oh, did the camera get
Oh my. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. We could have.
Why can't I be right there?